Giving Bajra to birds, and Casper is also watching me. Like I'm going to give Bajra to birds. Casper, come. Casper, I'm giving Bajra to birds. Let's see how I give Bajra to birds. This is not for you. This is for birds, Casper. This is for birds, Casper. This is for birds. Call birds and give Bajra to them. Na, Casper? I am putting it here. No, I will put here. It's a bed sheet of Casper, and Casper is sniffing his bed sheet, and Casper also sniffing Bajra and other things near around, and waiting for birds to come and eat Bajra. What did you see, Casper?